Lonely people are measurably less healthy than people with friends. I believe most of you would already know that no man is an island. We're all very social creatures and we live in societies where we have to engage in relationships with people, whether it's in our own families, extended families, friends, colleagues, leisure activities. We meet social groups as well. And we realize that relationships are really important in our current societies. Even for people who don't really go out that much, there's a lot of socialization going on through the internet, whether it's through chat sites, discussion forums, or even video gaming, right? So some of these online platforms also serve as socialization methods. Lonely people are measurably less healthy than people with friends. So think about your own social system and network. How connected are you to your family? How connected are you to your colleagues? How connected are you to social groups? Are you experiencing more loneliness than other people who might have very diverse and wide social circles? When I talk about that, sometimes it's also not about the quantity. It is about the quality of the relationships that you have with people. When it comes to the workplace, and I think this is something that's important for us to share, right? In a recent research that looked at adults who worked kind of like similar hours as us in Singapore, for most of us, I imagine. And what she found is that those who had reported having low social support at work were 1.4 times more likely to die or more at risk of dying sometime within those 20 years. And when she did this research, she really asked about employees' relationships with their supervisors and also assessed whether the subjects, how did they evaluate their peer relationships at work? Peer relationships can impact well-being quite bit at work. These are some of the things that actually reflect emotional and professional support. When we look at the context of personal relationships and a lot of other things that are important in our life, what we are interested in finding out really is what drives people to live successful and fulfilling lives. Is it really just one aspect of your life like work or achievements, motivation, and goal striving? Important factors that drive us to live successful and fulfilling lives, right? So we need to have motivation. We need to kind of like set goals for ourselves so that we can achieve some of these things that we want to achieve in our lives, right?